A leading enterprise in the field of ICT, PainVT has developed harness inspection equipment based on the technology of AI machine vision. Harness inspection equipment uses the technology of machine vision to inspect defects in high-quality harness cable lines and terminals with high speed and precision. The main screen of harness inspection equipment carries out the inspection by capturing images from a camera whenever trigger signals from the equipment are received through the interface for various output values of inspection results. It is possible to carry out inspections for each model. Images of the original photo and the inspection result will be saved as BMP files. Furthermore, data from inspection result are saved as CSV file. Recipe screen is an interface screen where the user can define the inspection settings for each model, which include inspection range, territorial critical value, and judgment criteria. Harness inspection checks the conditions of stripped wire, inserted seal, and compressed terminal. The shape of the stripped wire shall be inspected. It is possible to measure from the front end of the shield to the end of the core wire. The width of the core wire can be obtained along with inspection data on the shape of the core wire. The inspection on the inserted seal measures from the top end of the seal to the end of the shield. The height and shape of the core wire shall be inspected by the same method as used in the strip inspection. The inspection on the compressed terminal checks if the compression is at a normal level. The inspection also checks for excessive insertion, no insertion, cut core wire, fed-up shield, shield barrel, core wire barrel, terminal, and bell mouth. To conduct a shield shear inspection for each shield color, the settings of shield color must be designated for each model. Both ends of the socket core wire barrel shall be found to inspect the width. The bell mouth below the reference of core wire barrel shall be found to measure the length. Further, the front end of core wire above the reference of core wire barrel is found to measure the length and density. The inspection is implemented in the order of shield shear, core wire barrel, bell mouth, and core wire shear. When the inspection values are within the judgment standard designated by the user, the pass judgment is sent. The certification and patents of PainVT are related to technologies in the field of ICT. Apart from machine vision, we have developed industrial drones, ICT infrastructure, and various other solutions, and received recognition domestically and overseas.